Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. We're going to cast on these socks by using the long tail cast on method with circular needles. We will begin with 3mm cable needles. Then we will switch for the rib stitch to 2.5mm circular needles. I will place a link in the description box and in the comments below. After this video, you can go ahead and check out how to do 2x2 rib stitch for these socks. Let's begin. We will start by pulling a length of yarn first, and we will make 72 loops. Insert the right needle into the left thumb loop from above. Grab the strand from your index finger with the right needle from right to left. Pull the index finger strand down through the loop on your left thumb. Use your thumb to tighten up the stitch and return to the V position. Repeat these steps until you have enough loops. For this method, we will use 2 cable needles. We will make 36 loops on one needle, and after that, we will use our second cable needle and make another 36 loops on that. At the end of our work, we will have 72 loops in total. On the second needle, we repeat the same process. After completing 36 stitches on the second needle, we will secure our work with a knot. That's all for today. If you're enjoying these videos and would like to see more of these, don't forget to give them a thumbs up and hit subscribe.